Hey guys, it's Dima from Dimostech, and today we're checking new lights that are controlled via an app. Okay, so first of all we have 3 of those actually, but the unboxing is pretty much the same obviously, so I'm going just to unbox one of them, and those, yeah, okay. So, let's go ahead and unbox this one. Honestly, I got those pretty much for fun and for a great sale price on AliExpress, but you can find them on Amazon and other places as well. Links in the description as always. So, let's go ahead and see what we get. Now, I already know what we should get, and you already seen how it actually works probably, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so we have a pouch and the light is inside probably. We have actually a remote control, which is quite cool. We have a cable, and I'm not sure if it's a USB-A or if it's a micro USB or C or whatever. Let's see what it is. So yeah, it's a USB-A to USB-C. Anyways, we have 2 lanyards for some reason, not really sure why. Let's see what's inside here. Yeah, we do have a light. We should have something else. Let's see how to do. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's a stiff one. Okay, and yeah, that's what I was searching for. So we have the light itself, we have a booklet, as expected, and we have an iron rod pretty much. So the idea is that you glue that thing, and then you use the magnets. We should fit. Oh yeah. So yeah, there are magnets which are quite good. No, I didn't expect them to be good actually, to be honest. So this is the light, and we have a 1/4" screw here. That's good. So yeah, now you can see. So we have here the USB probably charger. That's quite the weight. Yeah, we have the USB-A and USB-C as well. And there's a button there. Oh yeah, that's the power button pretty much, that you can press through that thing sort of, which we are going to do. And I guess you need to close it pretty well so it will be sealed for water, because this thing is pretty much IP60, I think IP67, not really sure, but yeah. Anyways, you can see here the model. Let me try to, yeah. So the LUXCEO or LUXCEO, I'm not really sure. That's a model P200, 6 watts, CRI RA95. I'm not really sure about that, but it should be good enough for me, because this won't be a main light. This will be sort of an environmental light, so that will be quite good. We have an input of 5 volts, 2.1 amperes, output of 5 volts, 2.4 amperes, CCT from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, battery 3.7 volts, 4000 milliampere hour, not a bad battery I'd say. And we have here that lanyard hook, and also here we have another lanyard hook. I'm not really sure why we have 2, but probably you can hang it or something. Quite cool. So anyways, let's try to turn it on. I'm not really sure how it will work. Yep. Oh, why? Yeah, you need to hold it probably. Nope. No. Hold it. Hold on. Yes. No. Not really sure why, but it's turning on and back off. So that's quite weird. There are no actually buttons exactly here. Let's try maybe with the remote. Now this thing supports also Bluetooth, and we'll try the app soon. Let's see. Oh, we have here that thing that you need to take out, and now the remote should work. Again, should. It doesn't, for some reason. What we can do actually is open this thing, pretty much. Grab a USB-C cable, I guess, and try to charge it a little maybe. Let's see. Oh, you see here some sort of small blue light. That's quite convenient. Not really sure if it can work during that time. Yeah, again, it just turns off on its own, so not really sure why. It's been charging for a while, well, I don't know, about half an hour I guess, and I did actually already test it a little. So I think that I found why we have two lanyards. So there is a hole here on the remote as well, so you can use that. And basically I think I don't even need to unplug it, so let's try. Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't really work as I think it would. Not really sure where exactly the receiver or anything, but let's disconnect it. And basically, from what I understand, there are few sort of mods or something like that. So there is a Bluetooth mode, and there's also a remote mode, and you cannot operate on both of them at the same time. And if it's fully turned off, none of them will work. So basically you do need to use the power button. So that blue light here should disappear in, I don't know, a few seconds or so, I guess. I didn't, yeah, here you see. Okay, so let's press on the power button once. Let's turn it like that maybe. Okay, so now we should be able to operate it with the remote, as you can see. And I'm not fully sure where the remote needs to point or be, because it works pretty much from almost any angle. And let's try to press and hold 2 seconds now. I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna bring my phone for that. So there is an app called Tuya, and basically it's Tuya Smart, and this is the app that you control that light with. So we can go here, and now that I pressed long pressed 2 seconds on this, and I already paired it, I cannot use the remote anymore, as you can see, but I can use this app. So you can see that I can change pretty much the light in here. We'll make it a little bit dimmer. And we have also colors. In terms of colors, I don't know, it's quite nice. Yeah, we do have other colors. Actually, it's the first time I'm testing this out. You can sort of lower the saturation, so it will be just a little bit of coloring and something like that. And you can go all the way in or all the way out. And on the camera it doesn't seem really blue right now, for example, but it is blue actually. I'm guessing if I'll cast it on, you know what? Yeah, if I'll cast it, for example, on the phone screen, or for example, you know what? Let's turn off all the lights. Yeah, let's turn off all the lights and leave just that one. So yeah, now you can see that it is blue, and you see it much better if we cast it on something. So yeah, you can see that it is sort of bluish. We can make it darker. And yeah, let's go to other colors as well. That color, it does look blue. On the camera it looks a little bit different, sort of pink purple or something like that. And we have red, obviously. Yeah, red is quite nice. Yellow, we can go, okay, it's not exactly yellow, but yeah, sort of yellowish. So yeah, the colors are, you know, I wouldn't call it for sure accurate or something, but it does work well. For example, yellow for some reason, yeah, well, I don't know, it just doesn't make really good yellow. Orange, I don't know, it sort of skips a little bit, but it is an orangey sort of color. That's quite sad, but it's good. Anyways, if we go to white, we can always put this yellow pretty much. And again, on the camera it doesn't really look yellow, but it is. So we have scenes, and I don't know, that's supposed to be comfortable for night, that's supposed to be comfortable for reading, for working, leisure. Let's see what we else have here. Something soft. Yeah, I'm not really sure about the soft. It doesn't... Oh, it's sort of pulsing in colors, I guess. Yeah, that's weird. We have colorful, so I guess it will go through all the colors or something. Yeah, it seems so. Let's give it a moment. Yeah, it does go through all the colors. And we have something called dazzling. Yes, it will also sort of go through the colors. Yeah, something like that. And we have gorgeous. I don't know, gorgeous kind of works slowly through the colors. That looks like quite nice. So we can edit things. I'm not really sure. Oh, we have sort of an option to create our own scene. That's quite nice. We have music, I guess, according to the microphone. Yeah, something like that, I guess. Okay, so it depends on whatever it is listening to. Anyways, let's go back to white. So that's pretty much the lowest brightness, and we can go to the highest. That's pretty much how it goes. Let's go back here. So yeah, the light is quite cool. Now the thing is, I have two more lights, and we can control all the three at once. So I want to try to actually remove a light from the app and show you how to connect it with it. So let's go ahead and try to do that. And now I'm going to press and hold about 3 seconds. Now I guess if we'll go here to add new device, yeah, here you can see we already found it. Actually, that's a good light for this thing right now. And we can press add, and it takes a moment, but it works in the end. So let's give it a few moments. Yeah, here it is. Click next, and it blinks once. That's it, pretty much. That's it. You can rename it if you want. You can press done, and that's pretty much it. We can control it again. Now again, during that time we cannot control it with the remote. We have sort of to disable the Bluetooth. I guess it's 2 seconds and it will work as well. Let's try. Yeah, it doesn't seem like that. So I am not really sure why, but sometimes it just doesn't really go through the mods normally. Maybe a reboot sort of? Yeah, okay, finally, got it. Okay, you need to turn off the light and then turn it on, and then you can pretty much do whatever you want. We can pretty much control everything with the remote as well, as you can see, so we can make it a little bit less brighter, more brighter. As you can see, it goes kind of slow. We have different colors. It's not the best remote, obviously, but it does the job, actually. There is a sort of thing like this. There's an RGB. There's a flash. I'm not fully sure what the flash does. It seems like changing color, and that's it. And obviously we can, I guess we can make it faster or something. Yeah, I think it's like a particular light and then it flashes or something. Yeah, that's annoying. And obviously we can turn it off. So again, we can press now 2 seconds. And in a moment we should see here that we can control it, I guess. Something. Oh, here it is. It just took time. My phone is an old one, so I would guess that's a problem. Anyways, as you can see, that's pretty much it. We can control the light. Same goes for others. We can control them at once, as far as I know. Let's grab another light and try to edit. So basically, that light I didn't even turn it on even once. So let's put it sideways as well and try to press 3 seconds and see if we can add it here. Okay, let's press plus here. And yeah, it seems like we can add it. So yeah, it does take again that time to sort of sort this out, I would say. Let's turn on back the lights. I guess it will be a little bit easier. That's it. We can hit next, and yeah, it did blink, and it automatically puts LUXCEO 2, so that's quite nice. Done. That's it. Now we can control that one as well. As you can see, they are both pretty much the same, I'd say. I'm not fully sure how, but we can control both of them at the same time. Yeah, it seems like we cannot probably control all of them from the app. That's quite sad. But we can pretty much do this. Power them both down. Let's turn on once, and let's turn on that once, and let's see. Yeah. So now we can control both of them from the remote. So at least that. And as you can see, it works quite nice. I'm not really sure. Let's press RGB, for example. Yeah, they do quite stay in sync, not fully in sync. Okay, that's quite sad that they are not in sync, but my guess we just need to sort of sync them or something. Let's try something like that. Okay, now probably they are. Yeah, now they are in sync. So that's quite nice. So we can do something like that. And no, they're not exactly in sync, but yeah. And we have a third light here that I guess it should just continue charging. But yeah, those are the lights. Basically, we also have them as a power bank, as I said. So we have a USB-A here on top, and we can use it as well. Now the thing is, I'm not going to do that, but yeah, there's another option for that. So just for you to know. Now that rod that I said, basically it's a very good magnet, but if it holds only on one side, it won't hold. I mean, it will fall. There is a magnet about here and also here. So there are two magnets. Now, if they are both connected, it's good, it will work. But if only one of them holds, I think it will fall. I don't think it will fall. So keep that in mind, and that's pretty much why you can loop this on both sides and also hang it just in case, so it won't fall, for example. And that's pretty much it about the light. Now again, this is not a main light, this is not a key light or anything. I might use it for smaller things that I shoot, it will be good enough. But the idea here is just sort of scenes to put them, hide them in the back or something, and just give you a little bit more sort of coloring and things like that. So I found something finally. How to control all of them at once. So basically you go to one of them, doesn't really matter which one. You go to edit. Now obviously they should be connected, I mean you do want to control them obviously. And then you go to create a group. Here you basically add all the ones that you want, click save. You can rename the group whatever you want, save again, wait a few seconds, it adds them and creates the group. Now it automatically goes to the group. So basically now you have the group itself, and basically you can control all of them at once, like that. Quite cool, quite convenient, works perfectly. Now in terms of the weight, let's put it to the test. 275 grams. That's quite nice. Let's put it just in case like this as well. Yep, 275 grams. Thank you for watching this DinosTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.